kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like.
What's up guys, welcome to another video. Early morning here in northern Italy. Today we are going to visit Kite. Kite is located on a beautiful Como Lake in the northern Italy. It's about 2.5 to 3 hour driving from where I live, and I really love to do this video because many people, especially in the US, know Kite for the hubs, and many of them they call it like Kite hubs, or even worse, since DUBYA is the main distributor in the US, they call it DUBYA wheels or stuff like that. But Kite, it's a company itself. It's been out there in the market for decades now, and it's been on top of on the bike of the top teams in the world, in either in Europe or in Australia or in the US. Supercross, outdoor, you name it, all the top team use Kite hubs and parts. Sometimes it's been challenging for Kite being in the market also for other components rather than just hubs, because the competition out there is so strong, and but they do a lot of good stuff. They do like anything CNC billet machined parts from a rough piece of aluminum. They can do anything you wanted. So they do the foot pegs, they do the rotors for the disc brakes, they do triple clamps, handlebar mounts, all the blinks around the bikes, all the oil cap, fuel tank caps, all those kind of stuff. They do the whole shot device. They do a bunch of stuff. Now I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna show you in details how everything is actually made in Italy. Many brands, they kind of like lower the quality over the year of their products by making them maybe in Asia, or even buying like white label parts made in Asia and then relabel it. This is not the case. Everything coming from Kite factory, it's super high-end. Everything's made in Italy, everything huge quality and full warranty. So stay tuned and go to see the Kite. Here we go, driving over there. It's gonna be a long trip.
Hey
we're committed to it.
Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead.
Impressive how from a brick of aluminum, well, let's call it aluminum because there's different numbers defining different composition of metals, but it's so amazing how from a brick of raw material pops out, going through, of course, a very sophisticated robot or CNC machine, this pretty sweet triple clamp, foot pegs, any other part. It's just amazing. From a cylinder coming out some cups. It's very awesome.
Little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Cercare di migliorarsi sempre. Diciamo che quando tu sei all'inizio e c'è ancora tutto da costruire è facile, perché comunque anno dopo anno fai tanta esperienza, poi però la curva di apprendimento, diciamo così, tende sempre ad appiattirsi, e quando lavori con team di assoluto livello come i team ufficiali KTM e Yamaha, cercare di fare meglio ogni anno è sempre più difficile, perché cerchi sempre di limare più peso rispetto all'anno prima, irrobustire senza aggiungere peso, ed è una cosa difficilissima, perché tu eri già convinto l'anno prima di essere al top, di aver già fatto tutto quello che potevi fare, però l'anno dopo devi fare meglio, perché se ti fermi, se ti crogioli nelle vittorie dell'anno prima, poi va a finire che dopo 2 o 3 anni ti accorgi che sei rimasto indietro. Non puoi mai fermarti e devi sempre impegnarti a lavorare per fare meglio, anche se pensi che non si possa fare. Devi sempre metterci dentro la testa, provare e fare test, prove e non fermarti mai. Chi si ferma è perduto.
Alright guys, tired already, nighttime almost. Hope you like the video. Stay tuned on the channel because they're gonna be ready soon, a full kit for the special bike we are building with Husqvarna. So stay tuned, and it's gonna be very soon coming the new video with the bike wrap it up, ready for 2024. Stay tuned. Cheers, thanks for watching.